So yeah, we have 6 months for the year to go. Let's say we have 5 more because December trade is always slow. So we can still make a something startable for the next 5 months, 6 months. So gold have resumed as great bullish again. So this is where we are on daily time frame. Uh, we have this support zone, this resistance zone, the price mitigated so from that resistance zone. We have that zone. Likewise, price came to do what? Uh, give us this daily FEG. So we have price mitigator FEG there. So since then, we have the price pushing up. So on daily now, price currently reacted to uh this support zone here. So the support zone that price currently reacted to. So let's change it to green. To green. So we have that support zone that price currently forged, and we have it. In fact, Mr. Femi, it was very painful. It was very painful. The guy and the thing verse. Well, see what it is. See what it is. So uh we have this. You can see I'll go tap into the trend line and then bang. So now this is what we have on daily. What let's see where how we close monthly. But very important. So with this, I'm seeing this more that we can the tendency of us returning back to the all-time high, even break itself, very, very uh starting on good. So we have the more close with this indecision candle, like a dragon doji. I'm seeing a price is pushing up. So inside this, we also have a sell. So let's go back to our daily. Now, price is currently in a place that we can get a sell from, but we have to look for serious confirmation, right? Before we say, okay, anything. So this is a daily picture now. Let's go to 4 hours now. So 4 hours will now begin to read market structure for 4 hours. Any. So the overall break of structure now we should have there. Let me close this indicator. So we have gold reacted to this uh support zone. Support zone. I support zone. Let me change it to let me change it to yeah. So yeah, this right. Support zone. So and we have likewise this resistance zone here. Resistance zone. Because of the color, let me change the color of that. Think back. So okay. resistance. Zone. So now, so 4 hours, what do we see? Clearly, we can see we have internal break of structure of 4 hours. We have this internal break of structure of 4 hours, right? So here we become what? This high, let's put a bar here as a protected high, right? So that's the last break of structure we see. So whatever time price close above here, there, don't we are I don't know, it may not come down, but let's say we have 4 hour candle close above this place. So the tendency for us to come here is very, very certain. So what we give birth to this resistance zone will determine how price close above this 4 hours supply zone. So now we are going to be treating this thing one by one. We're going to be treating one by one. So let's go back. Let's see if there's any unmitigated zones that price may like it. So here we have this FEG, daily FEG that price tap into, and three tops give us a break of structure here. So price came back to tap into gold respects fair value gap so much. So we have price tap into this fair value gap and then boom, move up, cause another break of structure. Price came back to discount. Now, here we have the last break of this our last break of structure. So price came down to tap in. All this were liquidity for price. So price with all this one become a liquidity for price, which price tapping into this sub demand zone. So we can say that everything is well balanced now. So this we are now working with this phase now. These are supply zone that we are working with. So here now we can get a sell here. Yes, maybe a sell back to some of this low before the move. So let's go to 2 hours. Let's see. So price is currently where you can see we are currently on extreme premium. So we need a confirmation. So let's go to 1 hour. Is there any other block that we can use? For now, I'm not seeing any. So here, price has what? Has liquidate this place. So this has become a liquidity, which price has liquid. Price has liquidated that high. Now, yesterday we were waiting for 61.8 of Fibo level around here, but price normally I won't have. That's why I not join this buy, because we are expecting a pullback at least below this equilibrium line. But what do we see? We see price pull down. So that will not give us entry. But what I can see is that price use one of the institutional reference breaker. So this is the breaker block that price use. This breaker here that price used to put us. So that is all. That's how we miss that. So what's the way forward now? So we have this zone. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. So this one will not be our focus, right? So 15 minutes time frame. Already we have see liquidity mitigated, and I can see this. I can see this as this double top here. Double top here. Okay. So price has given us another kind of liquidity, like a double top here. So let me delete this now. Let me delete that. So a kind of double top there. So let's now we have this 15 minutes order block here. We have the opportunity, other block there. So let's see. So from here now, you can see that sell will come, sell will happen. The reason why I say sell will happen, this linear direction is to this. So what happened here? The kind of structure that happened here, you want to see the same structure forming here before you sell. You don't just sell blindly. Or otherwise, you are ready to take some. You are ready to take. You don't mind to take some risk on the table. If you hit, you hit. If you walk, you walk. So that's what you can do, like a aggressive entry. Maybe you just risk about 100 pips. Yes, that is about, let's say, maybe no, everything is worth risk. Play out because this is an extreme zone that price will be able to realize. Let's say 80 pips. That is $8. If you use 0. So if you're ready to take some risk, that okay, I can put some risk on the table, right? I can put some risk on the table, like $10. It depends on your risk appetite. So you can just do a sell limit. So for the sake of those that want to put some risk on the table, if you are using 0.01, $8, $16, then you can do this sell limit I want to put here now. So hope that explanation is well clear. So entry price. So entry price should be 33 46.23 SL. That should be okay. Should we give it space in case you want to weak out? Let's make the SL so that will not just weak us and take us out. Worry. So let's just make the SL 100 pips so that it give us, yeah, exactly 100 pips. That is increased to $10 by 0.01, $10. So let's just give that high in breathing space. So let's say our SL is now 3356.30. So that is 100 pips. 100 pips. Right? 100 pips. So there. Let's target. Let's target 3. Let's target this low here. That should give us 1:3. So if you are risking 100 pips, we are targeting 300 pips, right? So that would be a very good reward ratio. So TP will be 3316.060 RR. So 3R. So now this is the first trade setup now. This is the first entry. For those of us that you have the financial muscle to risk $10, if you are using 0.0 at 0.01, if you have the financial muscle to risk $10, you can take this trade, set this pending order. I am see that you can see this is very extreme. So the chances that the price will rise for a sell due to this Bull Blues trend. So let's say it's 70% that when price tapping here, it can go up small, but that is sell will come in. I give it 70%. So this is one session. Why the other one is, let me take this one here. Let me take this one here. So why the other one is confirmatory entry. So what's confirmatory entry? So we want to read price at. Now it's you that will not do this by yourself, right? So structural base, here we break. This is our last break of structure for now. So here now, so we have this break of structure. Now, if this guy are not closed bullish, if that guy closed bullish, we'll consider this place as a break of structure likewise. So that means if that guy closed bullish, we'll consider that. Then this low will not be what? Our protected low. Let's assume that this guy has closed bullish. We tap here. So all we need to do for a confirmation entry, we need to see price. Price go now. Maybe go there. So we need to see something of this nature from 15 minutes for this 15-minute time frame. So we need to see something of this nature. Just like what happened here. Look at it. Exactly this something that happened here. We have this low, we have this high, we have this low. Look at it. Our price do what? Great structure. Now, this was a good here is we that were using that Fibo level. Initially, if we were yesterday, if we look at it from this 15-minute time frame, this is the low supposed to have used. This is the low supposed to have used. So that we have activated our 51%. Because the reason is price did not come all here. Because everything here is a balance. We have this, so we have a balance range. Now, all this place is not break structure. This is where we have what? A break of structure. So this is the candle that breaks structure, and this place forms demand. So the demand that breaks structure, although there was still let's say lower demand around there. But you see what I'm saying is that you see how this place form. So we want to see something of that nature as price tapping here, so that will not be what? A confirmation entry for us. So we can now sell from this side. So if you know that you know how to analyze charts, you can wait for this confirmation, maybe during New York session. But if you know that you don't have time, and you are not yet good in breaking down charts, you can just do risk 10 pips and do a sell limit around here. So hope that is clear for gold. So hope that is clear for gold. So that's what we'll be looking at gold. Let's go back to 4 hours. So that 4 hours, we are, you can see now, we are close to 4 hours. Order block, premium, and let's see. And here now, we have seen that liquidity is already purging. So we see a kind of weakness, or for 1 hour, if you see a swing high here, then you can do what? Look for what? A sell opportunity. So that is for us that we love to do what? To sell gold. But if you are selling, be caution, because we may see more push up on gold. So that's my view on gold for now. And if price close above here, then we'll look for a way to recapitalize and to continue buying, maybe to this all-time high. So we are done with gold. Let's do the cable. The GBP USD is also known as the cable. So let's do the cable. So the cable is so bullish. Dollar. I'm tired with the dollar, because it's not even giving us opportunity to enter trade. It's not giving opportunity to enter trade. So you can see we are still yesterday. You can see we close. We are still much bullish. But there's nothing we can do now. I'm gonna tell you, there's nothing we can do, because You don't expect this kind of shallow retracement and you enter trade. This is not the best way to trade. So for now, there's nothing we can really do. We need a good. So we stay in higher time frame to determine the better directions when it comes to this GBP USD. Now, this is drawn liquidity that I pointed out yesterday. Now we can see that price is currently closing above it. So if we have a strong close above that zone, then GU will be so bullish, will be so bullish, will be so bullish. We have a lot of strong liquidity.
Hello?
Sorry guys, for network issue. God will help us, Nigeria, with our network. So that is it. So we need a very uh price, at least to some of these demand zone for us to get it. So for this guy, there's no need for wasting time on all this currency pair. He has overstretched. We need a pullback for us to get into continue buying. So likewise, Euro USD. So okay, Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, please, I don't like the way this chart is rough. Let me, let me delete all this one. So I love my chart to be clean. So Euro USD price is pushing up. So let's go to smaller time frame. Maybe we can get the entry on Euro. So let's go to 15 minutes. Since the gap changing from one network to another. So on euro, we can see that euro is very, very bullish. I think what we just do is maybe on 15 minutes or 30 minutes, let's see if you can give us, if we can have a pullback that will give us a continuation. But to be sincere, I think we'll just leave for now, just leave this Euro USD pair and look at other currency pair for opportunity. So I'm leaving anything Euro for now. Let's look at BTC. So BTC is carving. So if you have BTC in this 4 hours, if you have 4-hour price close here, then BTC, we can have a BTC sell back to us of this low. So if you are trading BTC, watch out. A violation of this low, so can give you entry there, maybe set to sell some of this imbalance that is here. So that's for BTC. Oil, I'll be tracking oil. Oil. I don't want, yes, this oil, my eyes on oil. Please, everybody put eyes on this oil. Let me call out Mr. Fedmi, please. I need you to help me track this oil. In case we can have a bullish continuation oil very soon. So in case first and foremost, there's this weekly demand of oil. So oil, we are bullish, right? We are very bullish. What happened here was settlement, this fire, the settlement between Iran and China when US say, okay, that China can buy crude oil now from Iran. So that what brought the price of oil down. Now, this surge up was the attack between the Israel and Iran. So that caused, so for but technical thing, this way our last break of structure, and we are in a demand. So two things simply is what I want you to watch out for me. In case price mitigate all these things and you see it, you can alert me. Number one, let's go to 4 hours now. I don't know if price will come back here because it's creating a kind of consolidation. So what we want to see now, a consolidation is creating now. Let's say this is consolidation. This is what is happening now. Price, we need price to do what? Price can fake out all this low. Then we have a change like this. So this is what we want to do, right? So this is the first scenario we want to see in oil. I love this consolidation is a good one. So out of consolidation, we have a fake out for one side first. The price will move in the opposite direction. So if we have a fake out down here, then price can tend to, or if we have it a break up first, we'll wait and see price reaction there before we cut. So oil we can have a good trade on oil if we start to receive the bullish to some of this high here. So let's put eye on oil. Now that USD is doing some own thing, it's very weak and we are not getting good entry from USD pair. Let's look at other trades like gold, all this oil, other things. So for opportunities to get trade. Now, I was looking at some currency pair like GBP/NZD. Only this thing pay me that I'll be tracking this since yesterday that okay, but it's not bad. Now, for now, temporarily, I can confirm that this guy will sell. This guy will sell. Why do I know? We have individual candle reversal now. These are last bullish candle. So we have this guy immediately. So I'll be tracking this. The word painful is for before this session, you can see price already trade. This will be a very good entry. A very good entry. So yesterday when this candle closed, I'm waiting for this pullback. Just like the pullback happened in the midnight. Now, if we have grace for this thing to give us another pullback again, this will be a very good opportunity for us to get in. So for daily now, individual candle, I have said before that we're going to be treating the market by, you must understand the market, the direction of the market for that day, for that week. When we bullish here, immediately here we have be bearish, and we have this last bearish candle, then we have this last bullish candle that close. From there we start bullish. You can see, start bullish. But the bullish leaves a lot of gaps. And now this is the last demand zone that caused this break. So this last order block. So we have this imbalance that price, there's tendency that price will trade to this place. Even let's say the bullish will continue again, right? So that would be, it's not a small people, this thing you are seeing. So let's say from here we made this pullback now, this over 200 pips. So it's not a small pips. And so we just pray that we get an entry now. So dropping to 4 hours. So let's go to smaller time frame for now. This will be a very good entry, but it is what it is. So let's see if price continues selling, if price violate this low, then let's say price violate this low like this, then we can look for maybe a continuation. So, but all I'm pointing out to you now, irrespective of the way you can get into the GBP/USD, for now we are bearish on GBP/USD. We are bearish maybe until we get to this shaded zone. So to anywhere you get in, whether now price break you get in, or this give us another leg, I'll look for a way to get in. Then we can set to at least this daily order block. So before we can say, okay, if we want to bullish, we can look for what? A bullish evidence. So since I've missed, and my first entry has been missed, so I'm looking for opportunity to what? To get in on GBP/USD daily confirmation by bearish. So there's tendency for us to bearish to this place. You can see we already create a higher low, lower high, and price has make a pullback. So we'll be waiting and see. So these are a good setup that we can have. For now, NZ is very strong, so it's a good thing to take. So another one is AUD, GBP/USD. So this one is still good. Daily, what is daily saying? So the same direction. So we can see for price breaking, for price close below this previous daily candle, we have this confirm engulfing candle. So this will be another entry this morning, right? So now with this engulfing candle, I can confirm. Look at it. The reason why I'm so emphasized on when you see a strong signal from daily that it's set to go direction. Let's look at this place. Look at this buy. We have this last bullish candle. Where do we start bearish? After price, all these things, 1, 2, 3, we are not bearish yet until the price close below this bullish candle here. So after that price close, this candle confirms the bearish, it retests. You can see how price fall. Then here, when we have another bullish candle close above this bearish candle, what do we see? We see another push. Then we have another bearish candle close. These are daily candles. These are powerful. Even from here, let's say you take it from here to this one candle, last one is over 100 pips. You can see that high is like 200 to 200 pips. So it's a long, one big candle like this, is a very big count. So with this breakdown, so there's tendency that, okay, we could trade back to this zone again before, let's say, we continue bullish. So that's where we are looking for what? A sell opportunity on GU. So GU now 4 hours. So 4 hours has confirmed a break of structure on 4 hours. So we have that high. We have this guy, you know, use this low here. So you can confirm this low what as a break of structure. If you go to 2 hours, you can see it clearly. So you can confirm that low as a break of structure. So here we become what? Our protected high. Now, I love that this one should be a liquidity for price. So to do what? Another push for price to purge this liquidity. When we tap into this zone, then we can look for what? A sell opportunity. So that is so on all this period I'm pointing out, so we are having what? It could give us a very great trade opportunity. So that is GA. Then let's look at G card. Okay. So G card daily time frame is like I am in love with what G card is doing now. So G card now, fine. G card, we are bullish on G card. We have a break of structure from daily time frame, a break of structure. So where's our daily range? We have this low to that high. So we are in a seller territory. So if there is tendencies that we can see trade to all these places before the bullish. So if that be the case, what do? We have this bearish pin bar. Then we have this bullish pin, this one. Now we have yesterday price close. So let's see. Let's look at 4 hours. Let me remove this one for now. And read this one. So 4 hours. 4 hours time frame. Is this one okay? And this high is higher than this. So we have price. This guy look good, right? This guy look good, but I will use it for not go aggressive. I'm still coming on GVP card. So we are still pushing up, right? So let's go to smaller time frame like 2 hours. I go to 2 hours. Come in, let me bring my breaker, this thing. Want to see if you point it out. Okay. So 1 hour. Okay. So 1 hour now. So now we have, so what we're going to do now is I'm seeing a kind of sell that will come on this guy. A kind of sell will come on this guy. We have shifted market structure to, so we have that our high. So we have our swing high here, so our swing low. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for price to come to premium. So on premium now, where is the institutional reference that we can use on premium? What are the institutional reference that we can use on premium? So we have, okay, can we use this? Can we use this other block as our reference? Yes, I think we can use this one as a point of reference on 4 hours. So use that place as point of reference. So I will not do anything in limits. So it means now what we are waiting for, price to get here. So maybe on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, so we now need price to align with us, with our bearishness. So we cannot look forward how to get into this trade. So this is our point of interest now on G card. That's our point of interest. So you can watch that place and then you can look for a sell opportunity. But when I'm taking the trade, I think if I take the trade then I think we'll be dropping the VIP session, bro. So that is it. Good setup is coming on counter currency pair against GBP. Since dollar is so weak, so we look around for other currency pair AUD USD, we say anything? No. Let's look for higher time frame. So this guy is so bearish. Now, I'm just giving us a trick. Before, when you want, some of us that do day trading, before you engage in a trade in the morning, come to your daily time frame. Whatever the daily time candle is printing, that is your direction for that day. You can see, once we are bearish candle begin to print. Before we say, okay, let's assume that this place, for example, that this place is what? A support. And as long as we still have a bearish to this place, you are still bearish. The only way we can say, okay, bearish is over this, we have a bullish candle that will cover any bearish candle. Let's say bearish candle end. Let's say bearish candle end there. Then we now have a bullish candle that engulf it. Then we know that we are currently, so that okay, we can now begin to engage on buy, on look for a buy and buy to some positional reference. So that's how the thing work out. So for now, this guy is bearish. So all you can do every morning, since it's bearish, go to your smaller time frame, wait for a pullback, and look for a sell opportunity. It apply to all other currency, every other currency like that. So like GBP, Euro GBP, this guy is bullish. So we have like this gap here. So whenever trade return back to here, we like to engage in buy whenever we see bullish evidence. Look at what happened here. Since we have this price, this bull bearish, we have a bearish. Though inside the bearish, bullish may be coming, but the bullish is not close above the bearish. You can see when this guy try to pull it, not close above the bearish, until we get to this demand zone. Then we have this small bearish. Then what do you see? We have this bullish candle that print. After this bullish candle that print, that engulf this previous or this bearish candle, what do you see? Price begin to print up higher. So this is where buy started from. Until now, price is coming to this institutional reference here and reacting. So if you come down again on pullback, for the buy to continue, you also see another bullish candle engulf the bearish that come. Then we start engage in continuation for buy again. Mr. Femi, how do I get you? Need to be on premium before you can set trade alert on. You need to be on paid trading view. So when you do on trading view, you can do trade alert. The free space is not allowing it. So somebody sent out GJ. Let's look at GJ. GJ is bearish. GJ is bearish. But for now, I'm looking from this zone now. This is a weekly zone that I'm looking at. We still have our weekly candle. Now, we do not have this guy close, did not sweep previous last week candle. So this is a pullback on weekly. But that pullback, if you have engaged earlier, that's this morning, this guy have done over 1 round. So on daily, this is where daily starts bearish. Now, immediately this was the last bullish candle we have. Immediately this guy closed yesterday with this bearish. You see how candle open this morning and see what is our printout. So immediately we close below yesterday, the last bullish candle we closed here yesterday with bearish. See what happened this morning. So if you wake up this morning, since you see in the by 10, when you see that, okay, this guy that closed below previous bullish candle, we have a bearish candle. All you to do is wake up in the morning, go to smaller time frame, look for a sell opportunity and engage. So this is already selling. There's nothing we can do. But due to the higher time frame bullish, because of this big candle, all this that is happening on daily now, on day by day, I still consider it a bearish, a pullback. So what I will be engaging now is looking for, as price is coming, anything around here now, all I'm looking for is a bullish evidence to go back to bullish. So price has come to premium. So we can now go to number one, daily, or we can now go to 4 hours. So 4 hours now, you can see we are coming to very all this zone. So on 1 hour. So what do you want to see now inside this 1 hour? We want to see something of this nature. Want to see price returning backwards to bullish. So something of this nature that we cannot engage in buy opportunity. So that's what we are looking at. And now, for now, if we read price action, currently we are in premium, we are in discount already. So buy can happen here. So, but this is what we can do. We have a break of structure here. We have our last break of structure, right? This is our last high. So this high become what? Our protected high. These are protected high. So if this guy start bullish, then we need price to close above here. We need a price, then we can go to buy. 1 minute. So guys, so that is what so you can see now that you're already pretty low. But because of this, the momentum of this candle, we need to see a kind of this. You can see now that we have cleared all liquidity here. We have cleared liquidity here. So let's see. And more now that price has come to this weekly zone here. These are weekly between here and here. So anything here, a buy opportunity, we can continue buying. We can look for a buy because on daily, what do you see on daily? We can see that we are bullish on daily. These are break of structure. So anything here is whatever is pulled back, so for us to continue to bullish. And I have my eyes on this, on all these places at my word as my drawn liquidity. So there's tendencies that we can still fire up, or better still, we can continue selling to some of these. You can see we have a lot of low. If GBP is going to be weak, then this guy can trade more, he can trade more lower. So all we just need is our confirmations. So we just need the confirmations for us to engage all this type of trade that is not clear. So on daily now trend line, I would love price to trade to this trend line then before we can go back. But let's see. For now, based on day trading, we are what? We are still bearish on GBP US GBP JPY until proof otherwise. US JPY, US is weak. So US is weak. You can see this confirmation I'm seeing. Now we have this. So this last bullish candle. Now we can sell price. I'm just giving you people secrets here. See how price immediately price close. We have a break candle close below this bullish candle that confirm bearish. The next candle on daily. This must be on daily, not 1 hour. Do you see the next candle close bullish above this guy again? No. The next thing you see, you can see that it's pretty bearish. So we are still bearish. We are bearish on this guy. So we have, let's use support. Let's put some supports around here. So let's put some support here and wait. Price support zone there. So wait as price come to that zone. We'll see what will happen. Okay. So let's put some support zone there. Let's see how price trade to that support zone. So this guy is bearish. And if you close like this today, tomorrow, all you will see is a pullback, then the thing will continue bearish. So maybe if we close bearish today, tomorrow, we just see small pullback, then we see another collapse. So that is it. So that's one of the secrets that my research that I've made now. My research, every day we learn many things every day, especially when you are looking for a way to be on top of the game, to be profitable. So you make deep research, study more, and is this analysis on currency pair? Yes. Whether synthetic or anything, market structure works. Market structure works. So guys, that is it for today. Our time has spent. Now, back to gold. Gold is still in our region, still there. So 4 hour candle has closed. So let's see what this guy will push up more. Let's see. It was a painful something for us. We missed this thing. It was painful to us. Raji, let's say from here. Or more. This we have done. That's over 6,000 pips. With 0.01 last one, this is money. Now, look at these 4 hours confirmation. When you see this bearish, you see when this 4 hour candle close bullish that engulf this bearish candle. What do you see? Price continue printing up. And now, okay, let's now analyze this based on daily. Now, here, here we are not bullish yet. We'll be bullish on this guy crazily when this is the last bearish candle that print out. If this guy close bullish today like this, I tell you, the tendencies that price will just do is maybe small pullback, then the tendency that we can bullish to all this place. It means that if we have a daily candle close above here now, don't even look for a sell from tomorrow. All you need to do is pull back, look for a buy. So it means that we have resumed bullish. So the tendency that we could bullish to another institutional reference, maybe all this high here. So that's how it works. Look at it. This is a large bullish candle, this bearish candle. This guy did not, this guy closed bearish, but we are not yet what? We are not yet bearish until we violated that. We have a bearish candle that closed below this bullish. So this was the candle here that gave us this bearish movement. So immediately this candle closed bearish. Do you see any candle close above it again? All you see is pull back to it. Then we have this. So you can see what this is secret I'm showing you. This is that what I should charge you for this secret last. I'll charge you $100. So look at it here when we're bearish. Here we did not bullish yet. All this one is not bullish until we traded above this bearish candle. So do you see? Immediately we close this candle close. It went far, but later it came back. You see that any candle come back again to trade below this candle, no, then we have that bullish. So this is a powerful secret, guys. Though I will do more to some people under my mentorship about this candle, this more deeper revelation about this information. So that is it though. That is it. So thank you. Let's for the sell on this guy. So let's wait. Just wait for confirmation on euro on gold. So at least confirmation is coming gradually. So we can see we are already seeing accumulations. This called accumulation. So if you see now, this candlestick apply to every other time frame. So this is where we have seen now. So all we need now, we just need a momentum bearish candle that will engulf this last bullish candle. So we'll see a momentum that engulf all this. Then me myself, I will engage in small sell. I'll take small risk. So maybe something like this. Then we can look for a small sell. I'll put our stop loss above here because this already is giving us a swing high. So all we need now, we need a confirmation, right? We need a confirmation. So we just need a bearish candle that give us a momentum sell. So we can look for a sell. Then maybe to some of this before the bullish again. So guys, thank you for your time. I believe I'm able to cover. So if you are from Uyo community here, if you are from Uyo community, we shall be having beginner class by 7 p.m. today. Please stay tuned. The link will be coming out from your page. Only Uyo community that are here. So thank you. See you again tomorrow. Stay safe. You can also get my entry and my exit and everything. You can look at the VIP session for all this setup. See you tomorrow, guys.